Your comment made me do it. I was about to buy this chrome polish from Essie to see if it's actually worth it, but they sent it to me, so let's see if they'll regret that. And no, this isn't sponsored, but if they wanted to, they would. Now, this is supposed to make your nails look like chrome without any powder or having to use gel, so let's see what actually happens. You always want to make sure your layers are fully dry, and I use a smoothing base under this because chrome tends to show any little bit of texture you have on your nails. This was a bit tricky to apply, I'm not gonna lie, but I made the mistake so you don't have to. So first off, you do have to get a good amount of the chrome on there so that it spreads evenly on the whole nail. If you don't have enough, you'll have these like weird streaks that you can't really fix. Next, make sure you work quickly, but don't do too many strokes because it will start to come off and you'll have more bald patches and streaks. It's kind of finicky. And this is one of those polishes where you have to be mindful of the brush strokes, so make sure you're always starting at the cuticle and brushing towards the tip in straight lines if that's something you care about. This will also change the shade of your nails, so I'd recommend putting it over something medium and not anything too light because the lighter colors will just turn silver. And last but not least, the chrome is pretty delicate, so make sure you seal it in with a top coat, but don't use the Essie Gel Couture. For some reason, it reacted weirdly for me and I had major shrinkage, but the speed setter worked a lot better, and this is one of my favorite top coats anyway. And this is how they turned out. I actually do really like the frosty chrome effect. This is way better than the lavender ones we did last time, and yeah, it does have slight brush strokes, but you don't have to deal with the mess that is chrome powder. So let me know, do you think it's worth it?